So today we're going to talk about one of the best return on investment tools for manifesting things, for pulling things to you that you most desire. Hi, I'm Carl Massy and welcome to this month's episode of Tips, Tools and Strategies. If you haven't signed up, sign up. If you like this at the end, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to work out what subconsciously may be holding you back, I encourage you to do my workshop on beliefs, a free workshop down below, so check that out. Okay. So not only is this a high ROI, this tool to manifesting, Dr. Joe Dispenza calls it the ultimate state of receivership. The ultimate state to receive more and more of what it is you most desire. And the crazy thing for me is this tool is so simple, but most people don't use it or don't use it enough. Okay, before I get into explaining exactly what this tool is, let me go through a little scenario or exercise. I do it in some of my seminars or workshops that I do. So I get three people, I give them a script, a little piece of paper with what they need to do as their role play. And then I tell them that, you know, I had a bit of a win and I've got some money and I've got three $20 notes. So then I give a $20 note to the first person and they say, thanks. I give a $20 note to the second person and they say, is that all? I give a $20 note to the third person and they say, oh, awesome, that's so awesome, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for you giving me that. That's exactly what I need right now. I'm going to rush off and buy that thing that I've wanted to buy for 20 bucks. Fast forward 1 month. Have less of a win, however I sort of earn my money or whatever, but I've got just one $20 note to give away. I've got three people in front of me. Am I going to give it to the person who was a little bit grateful? Am I going to hand it to the person who was definitely not grateful at all, who's asked me, is that all? Or am I going to give it to the person that was jumping around and so enthusiastic about what I'd given them? The answer is so easy. It's the person who's the most grateful. Let that sink in. The person that is the most grateful gets more stuff given to them. And the reason is, in that particular scenario, is I'm the person giving something and the person receiving, because of their gratitude, makes me feel so good. I'm getting the mirror neurons thing going. I'm getting the enthusiasm of them. I'm having that experience. So if I want more joy in my body, if I want to feel better, I'm going to find the people that are the most grateful and I'm going to do business with them, because doing business with them makes me feel good. So when it comes to a tool to use to draw more to us, the more grateful you are to people around you, the more practically you have things coming your way. You have more opportunities coming your way. You're going to be invited to more things because they know that you're grateful for getting invited to things. It's like you go to the ice cream shop and you're the most grateful person there, and the person gives you extra scoop. Like, so many things come your way. It creates this abundant field. Like Joe Dispenza, that ultimate state of receivership, your willingness to receive. Because what you've done is you've changed yourself in a couple of different ways. You've changed yourself biochemically. Because the emotions of gratitude are a different set of emotions than if we're in a funk, if we're thinking, you know, things aren't going well for us and I don't have this and I don't have that, and we're complaining, bitching, moaning. We're probably into lower vibrational states, survival emotional states. So we're actually in a state where we've got this biochemistry of misery, and it's actually making our body feel less vital. And then if we start flicking the switch and turning into this state of gratitude, we're changing the biochemistry, we're changing what is moving through our body. We're actually changing our nervous system. We're going from that stress response where everything is miserable, and we've actually, by us turning the tune, we've actually changed our nervous system to getting back into the parasympathetic nervous system, into that rest and digest, that regeneration phase. So again, we have this switch to do. It's called gratitude, and we can turn it up and we can turn it down. And most people I see in my personal life experience have it turned down way too low. And it's so easy. It's just like, thank you so much. Someone refers a client to me, thank you so much. and then they refer more clients to me. Someone does something for me, I say, thank you so much. And then they do more stuff for me. I attract this stuff to me, and it's not because of something unknown. It's known. I turn the dial up on gratitude. So that's the tip, tool, and strategy. Super simple. Want to change your state? Want to draw to you more wellness, more joy, more enthusiasm? Connect to gratitude. If you want people to give you more stuff, be the most grateful person in the room. You will get the most stuff. And just don't take my word for it. Give it a try and see how it goes for you. So this is your challenge for the week, for the month, is turn up the dial on gratitude. You actually have your hand on the dial that can change the outcome of this thing and draw that stuff to you. So give it a test for a month. See how it goes. Let me know how it goes. Put any comments down below where you think this does or doesn't work, or anything that you'd like to add to it. But I'm telling you right now, it has been an absolute game changer in my life and has created a ridiculous amount of abundance. So go and do it. And if you haven't, like I said, check out the workshop down below. Sign up to my weekly newsletter. You can also do that down there. But otherwise, have an absolutely fantastic day wherever you are on this incredible, gorgeous planet of ours, coming to you from Bali. Have a fantastic day and take care.